Welcome to our channel. Today we how to optimize cultural awareness with Mango languages, complete guide step by step clearly. To optimize cultural awareness with Mango languages, start by creating an account on their website. Once logged in, explore the range of languages offered to find the one that interests you. Begin with the introductory lessons, which provide foundational cultural insights. Pay attention to the cultural notes embedded within each lesson. These notes often highlight customs, traditions, and etiquette relevant to the language. Be sure to engage with the interactive exercises to reinforce your understanding. Utilize the pronunciation practice to grasp local dialects and accents. After completing basic lessons, delve into the cultural expansion sections. These sections provide in-depth knowledge about the region's history, cuisine, and social norms. Join community forums within Mango languages to connect with native speakers. This interaction will enhance your conversational skills and cultural comprehension. Make use of the mobile app for on-the-go learning and cultural exposure. Setting daily goals can help maintain your motivation and progress. Record your experiences and reflections as you learn about different cultures. Seek out additional resources, such as documentaries or books, related to the languages you study. Participate in cultural events or local meetups that align with your language learning. This real-world application will deepen your understanding of the culture. Integrate language learning into your daily routine for consistent exposure and practice. Finally, be open-minded and curious, allowing cultural experiences to shape your perspectives. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.